Hey everyone! In today's video, we are going to meet 40 amazing snakes that are completely harmless. These snakes don't have any poison and are safe if we just let them be. Let's slither into the world of non-poisonous snake and know more about them. Corn snake. The corn snake is bright and colorful with orange and red patterns. It's gentle and loves to eat rats and mice, helping farmers to protect their crops. Ball python. Ball pythons are small and friendly. When scared, they curl into a tight ball to protect themselves. That's how they got their cute name. Rosy Boa. Rosy Boas are slow-moving and very calm. They have soft, smooth skin and love to live in deserts, hiding under rocks or sand. Garter snake. Garter snakes are common in gardens and fields. They eat frogs, worms and bugs and are totally harmless to people. Rat snake. Rat snakes are long and strong and they love catching rats in barns and farms. They help humans in keeping pests under control. Milk snake. With bright red, black and yellow bands, milk snakes may look scary, but they are sweet and completely non-venomous. Kingsnake. Kingsnakes are famous for eating other snakes, even venomous ones, but don't worry, they are harmless to humans. Boa Constrictor. Boa constrictors are big and strong, but they don't use venom. They wrap around their food to catch it with a big gentle hook. Green tree python. These snakes live high up in the trees. Their bright green colors help them hide in leaves while they wait for their tasty birds or frogs. Children's python. Children's python is named after a scientist, not kids. This python is small, calm and easy to handle, perfect for beginners. Kenyan Sand Boa. This short chubby snake loves to burrow under the sand and surprise its food from below. It's cute and calm. Burmese Python. They are one of the world's biggest snakes. Burmese Python can grow really long but are gentle giants that don't use poison. Royal Python. Sometimes they are also called ball pythons. Royal pythons are popular pet snakes. They are shy in nature and curl up tightly when they feel nervous. Indian rock python. Indian rock python is found in India. This snake can grow very large and strong, but don't worry, it's not venomous and avoids humans. African house snake. This tiny brown snake lives near people's house in Africa, quietly eating insects and mice at night. Dekay's brown snake. Dekay's brown snake is small and slim. It loves to live in gardens and forests, eating snails and bugs. Eastern Hognose snake. These funny snakes puff off like a cobra and plays dead to scare off enemies. But it's not just acting. Western Hognose Snake. Western Hognose snakes have cute upturned nose and love to dig in sandy soils. They are playful and completely harmless. Smooth green snake. These bright snakes make blends into grass and bushes. It eats insects and is as gentle as a leaf in the wind. Rough green snake. With rougher scales than its smooth cousin, this slender green snake lives in trees and is great in climbing. Blind snake. Blind snakes are tiny pink and look like earthworms. They can't see but love to eat ants and termites underground. Egg-eating snake. This amazing snake only eats egg. It doesn't have teeth. It uses bony spikes in its throat to crack the shell of the egg. Rubber boa. Soft, shiny and slow, the rubber boa feels like a rubber toy. It's one of the friendliest snake you will ever meet. Ringneck snake. Ringneck snake are tiny and shy with a bright orange ring around their neck. They flash their bellies to scare predators. Black racer. Black racer are fast and curious. They zoom through fields and forests, hunting mice and insects without venom. Eastern indigo snake. This long, shiny, deep blue snake is the longest in North America. It's calm and loves the sunshine. Red-bellied snake. With a dark top and a reddish belly, this forest snake eats bugs and worms and is super quiet and harmless. Green anaconda. The green anaconda is one of the heaviest snakes on the earth. It doesn't have venom. It squeezes its prey instead. Yellow anaconda. Smaller than the green anaconda but still big, the yellow anaconda lives near water and is a strong swimmer. Pacific gopher snake. Often mistaken for a rattlesnake, this big guy hisses loudly but has no venom, just a great actor. Pine snake. Pine snakes love digging underground tunnels. They are calm and strong and live in pine forest and sandy places. Bull snake. Bull snakes are bold and big and they hiss like rattlers to scare away danger. But don't worry, they are bluffing. Texas rat snake. Found in Texas, this snake loves to climb trees and eat rodents. It looks furious but it's totally harmless. Californian Kingsnake. This black and white striped snake is a superhero in the wild. It eats pests and other snakes too. Florida Kingsnake. A beautiful and powerful constrictor, the Florida Kingsnake keeps nature in balance without any venom. Eastern milk snake. People once thought this snake drank cow's milk, but it really just like to live in barn and eat mice. Grey-banded Kingsnake. With orange and grey strips, this desert snake is shy and beautiful. It hides in rocky places and eats lizards. Spotted Python. This small spotted snake lives in Australia and it loves to explore trees and hunt at night for little animals. Woma Python. The Woma Python is a desert snake that does not have heat pits. It hunts in burrows and is gentle with humans. Carpet Python. With patterns like a fancy rug, the carpet python is a peaceful snake that lives in trees and hunts quietly at night. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe.